Guys, the show now to set the table of contents in Confluence. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Confluence tutorials. So log into your Confluence account and open it in your browser. So select your space here and select the page that you want to add a table with content to it. And here just head over to the top bar and click on the plus button and select elements. Scroll down into the form table of contents, click on it, and here you successfully just added your table of contents. You can add headings here, and make sure you configure the table of contents and click on insert. So you add the headings here. So any automatic heading will appear here. So let's, for example, heading, and it's automatically added to your table of contents in Confluence. And this is pretty much it, guys. We're all concerned. If you found this guide helpful and easy, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.